Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a new video, an update on Pepe. All right, I wanted to cover it. Personally, I bought Pepe. All right, just being fully transparent with you. It's still in profit, but that's only because I already bought down here, right? So I also bought yesterday after we got this major bullish breakout. We've been talking about this bullish breakout for quite some time already. It's obviously the weekend, so maybe I should have known better, because right now this buy is in a loss, of course. Because usually in the weekend a breakout doesn't last, all right? So we got that bullish breakout. The only reason why I did think it was a good idea, and I'm still holding it, all right? So I still think it has potential. It's just very dependent on the markets. But the thing is that we had gained a lot of momentum right here. So I thought, all right, well, we can actually continue that. But right now momentum is dropping down, all right? So we need to get to some confirmation very, very quickly. In general, if you look at this technical structure, it still is bullish, all right? So purely technically, we're still making higher lows. We're still, it's not a clear channel, but this is bullish, all right? And it's a shame that we did not solidify. It's a shame that we did not confirm that bullish breakout. But that doesn't mean that the technical structure all of a sudden doesn't mean anything anymore. Now, the one thing that is true, though, is that meme coins were popping off a little bit over the course of this weekend. The only way that meme coins can actually continue to be relatively strong is if Bitcoin actually regains some strength. Because right now, Bitcoin is not that strong. All right, we're losing some open interest here, or at least we lost some open interest. The price is not doing much. We're holding a support level right now, but at the same point of time, Bitcoin dominance is dropping down. So that means altcoins are suffering. So what we need, and that has nothing to do with Pepe, but the only way Pepe can stay in an uptrend here, consolidate down here, and eventually break back above its main resistance level, which still is that level at 8,600. But the only way we can reclaim that level, break back above it, and rally up towards 10,000 and 10,500. Is if Bitcoin gets some sort of a bullish breakout and gets back into the 70,000. That's the only way, all right? Because at this point of time, like I said, and like I showed you, Pepe on its own has no momentum right here, all right? So this open interest is dropping down. It will probably find support at some point of time soon. That's fine. But the open interest stopping with falling is not necessarily bullish, all right? It's also not bearish, but that doesn't mean that all of a sudden we're going to get a ton of buys, we're going to get a ton of momentum. So Pepe is doing nothing on its own. It's technically bullish, so that means it has potential, but on its own, there's no momentum. There's no huge buying coming in, nothing like that. So the only way we can actually bounce off of this support level, which we are at right now, because we are at a significant support level, around 8,000, psychological level, also technical with the trend line, with the 50 EMA, and purely technically we are trending, so we should react to this a bit more. But the only way this can turn into a bullish breakout, like I said, or at least what I've tried to say now for a longer period of time, is if Bitcoin becomes bullish. So keep your eyes on that, all right? If I would have to give you my most likely scenario, but obviously I am biased on that, I would say it's a bullish breakout. It's a bullish breakout above 8,500 and a continuation up to 9,500 for probably initially, but then above 10,000. But it's so dependent on the market that I would not enter right here. Because if Bitcoin right here just keeps falling and we fall down to 68,500, for example, then that means that we'll just fall down, like Pepe will fall down to 7,000 again. We'll be in this bigger consolidation, and then this was just a big fake out in the weekend. All right. So those are my thoughts. That's the main thing to watch for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.